สวัสดีครับ In the previous chapter we have discussed the idea of work and energy. We focus mainly on the mechanical energy. Now in this chapter we will extend this idea to the more form of energy. First, we will examine the non-isolated system. The non-isolated system is the system that can exchange the energy with its environment. We will extend the work kinetic energy to cover this situation. That is, there is not only the mechanical work that involved with the change of the energy of the system, but it includes all kinds of the energy transfer between the system and its environment. Next, we will discuss the isolated system. The isolated system is a system that does not exchange energy with its environment. So, when there is no exchange of the energy between the system and its environment, we may assume that the total energy of the system will not change. So, we will introduce the concept of conservation of energy, which is one of the most important concepts in physics. Next, we will discuss the effect of the friction. Since friction is the common force in physics, in the motion, if the object moves on a surface, we always encounter with the friction. So, we will discuss the effect of the friction in a separate section. And how can we express the but how can we express the relation between the friction and the total energy of the system? Friction is an example of the non-conservative force. In the system that the non-conservative force exists, the total mechanical energy is not conserved. We will discuss in this section the change in mechanical energy when non-conservative force exists, and what is the effect of the non-conservative force to the mechanical energy of the system. And finally, we will end this chapter with the concept of the power. The power is the rate of change of the energy. In many situations, we are interested how the environment can deliver the energy to the system, how fast the environment or how fast the exchange of the energy between the system and its environment, and that is the concept of the power